discover the powerful, all-natural cleaning of our Palmyra brush. Made from 100% biodegradable Palmyra fibers, this brush features extra stiff, water-resistant bristles that cut through tough grime, grease, and baked-on messes with ease. It's the perfect sustainable alternative to plastic scourers for all your heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Key features: 100% natural and eco-friendly. The bristles are made from natural Palmyra or bacine fibers, a renewable resource harvested from the Palmyra palm tree. The entire brush is biodegradable and compostable. Heavy-duty scrubbing power. Palmyra fibers are naturally stiff, coarse, and abrasive, providing excellent scrubbing power for the toughest cleaning jobs. Durable and water-resistant. These natural fibers are highly durable and resistant to water, meaning they won't soften or deform easily even with daily wet use.